All right. Hi.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Eva.
And what do we see here?
This is our latest product, E-Hub.
So there's like a connector right here on the wheel. Is charging the battery. What is it doing?
You only need to change your front wheel, then can become e-bike.
So just change the front wheel.
Yes.
You just get one of those. And it's built in. What is in there? What is inside?
Inside we have the motor and the batteries and the gyro all inside.
How does it work?
When you step the pedal and the speed up to 5 kilometers per hour, and it will give the electricity and it can assist you to ride the bike.
It's better to put in the front than the back?
Actually, we design in the front wheel because you don't need to change anything back. You only need to change your front wheel. We use the quick release that you can easy to change. This one is the quick release you can see here. Yeah.
Is it easy to charge?
Yes. We use the DC jack and here.
How long time does it take to charge?
About 3 hours.
And how far it can go?
50 to 70 kilometers.
Even for me? Maybe less.
Maybe less. Sorry.
Okay. All right. Is there a price for this?
For the end user price in Taiwan, about $700 US.
Is it for sale already? Available?
Now
or
we
in the
are
future?
in the funding platform.
Crowdfunding.
Yeah.
What is this? Kickstarter or different?
No, that's in Taiwan.
Taiwan Kickstarter.
Yes, Taiwan Kickstarter.
Is it $700 on this or cheaper discount for this?
Also have the discount.
How much maybe?
About 500 around. 500.
So far it's popular? Many people want? Is it finished crowdfunding or not yet finished?
Not yet, it's ongoing.
All right. When is it finished? A few weeks?
In the middle of June.